Here we have the 2017 Honda Civic Sedan EX, comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a beautiful white color. Let's take a look inside. Before we take a look inside, this is the key fob. Please go put the remote that engine to the right place right now. Here's the course. Stop on inside. Armrest panel, 2 mirrors, the vehicle fully started up now with the start button. Left side have an air vent, forward collision alert, traction control, lane keep assist, have audio, radio, and Bluetooth controls, automatic headlights, adaptive cruise control functions, get your rain wiper controls there. Check out our source list here. We have FM, AM, USB, iPod, Bluetooth. Hop into our settings. Got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Vehicle settings here. Got your driver assist system setup. Got your forward collision warning, distance, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and road departure mitigation. I think I showed you this. Yeah, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Got your clock, phone, audio settings here as well. Not really too much to go into there. You got dual zone climate control functions. You have a climate button here, so you can adjust the if you want AC on, how high you want the fan blowing. Heated seats, the driver and passenger. Brake hold, electronic park brake, econ mode, 2 cup holders. Center console slides back. Power tilt side sunroof up on your right hand side with your power sunroof controls, interior lighting options in a rear view mirror. Let's take a look outside. Armrest, power windows, all other mats, tons of legroom and heaviness and pop-up accessories we have in the front. That's it back outside. That'll wrap it up with 2017 Honda Civic Sedan EX in a white color. For any questions or remote test drive, please visit us at parkmines.ca.